Starting off with skincare, I'm going in with my 24K Gold Serum by Maskology. It's anti-aging, a moisture boost to my dry skin, and it actually has tiny gold flakes in it. It always leaves my skin feeling smooth and refreshed, and I love how the sun reflects on the gold. It just looks so bomb. Next up is her sister product. This is the 24K Gold Cream. This is also formulated with gold, and it's super moisturizing. Starting on a super old twist out, I'm going to mist my hair with water to get it ready for styling. I'm going in with my aloe berry styling gel from Alake Naturals. This gel is so moisturizing and it smells just like a Jolly Rancher. I'm going to apply this all over my hair and brush it into place to create a mini top knot. I went ahead and styled my edges off camera. They look rough right now, but just wait until I put that scarf on. I'm gonna be looking straight by the end of this video. Now I'm taking my favorite extensions from her hair company. This is the Brazilian Kinky Curly in 22 inches. I love this hair. It's so shiny and bouncy and it has a lot of luster. Then I'm going to comb it out from bottom to top with a wide tooth comb so that it looks more believable on top of my head. Now I'm pinning the hair in place with a bobby pin to secure it and wrapping it around my mini top knot. I was honestly about to stop right here because this is kind of cute, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm taking the hair and twisting it almost as if it were a huge Bantu knot. Now I'm going to put my scarf on so that my hair can be smooth and laying flat by the time I'm finished with everything. I'm starting my face off with my Hourglass Veil Primer. Now I'm going in with Bare Pro by Bare Minerals. I'm in the color Clove. This foundation looks just like my skin. It's so smooth and it makes me look like I'm glowing. Next up is the Bare Pro Concealer. I'm in dark neutral, and this reminds me of MAC NC45. I love the stick application and it blends so easy. As always, I'm bringing color back into the center of my face with MAC Blunt, and I'll have all the products that I'm using listed in the description box. Now I'm going to go in with this bronzer by Buxom. Unfortunately, it was way too light, and for my skin tone, bronzers are really hard to come across, but at least I tried. You can actually see a little difference, but it's not comparable to the bronzers that I like and that I use all the time. From my Buxom palette, I'm going in with this orange brown shade in my crease, and I'm using this as a transition color. Then I'm taking this really nice shimmery orange and placing this all over the lid. Now I'm taking a fluffier brush to blend out the two colors together so that they create a nice gradient effect. And now I'm dragging the orange to my lower lash. I'm finishing the eyes with the Big T's mascara from Buxom. To highlight, I'm using Ofra's bronze shade, and I went in with this highlighter. It looks a little harsh right now, but I have a nice little hack to fix that. I'm lining my lips with Undercover by Buxom. Now I'm going in with this lip polish in Camilla to jazz things up a bit. Now I'm setting my face to bring everything, especially that harsh highlight, together to look super flawless. And this is the final look.